Hello everyone, I'm Galileo, and in this video, we're gonna talk about the curly braces of GLC programming language and why it is used differently. Before that, what is GLC? GLC in a nutshell transforms its source code to C, Lua, JavaScript, and Python. This is a personal project that started in 2012, and I think it matured enough and undergone enough redesigns to be worth to talk about. GLC is heavily influenced by my almost 2 decades of experience with C and very short but very enlightening experience with Lisp. The goal of GLC is to improve the experience of reading, writing, and maintaining codes. If I'd like to adopt innovations from other languages, I think I'm more likely to include that language to the target language of GLC unless the feature is specific and aligned to GLC's goal. Back to topic. Why use curly braces in GLC at the first place? It's my preference. It makes my life easier whenever I use a language with curly braces and semicolons. I think being so familiar with how curly braces are used in several languages might lead us to not think other possibilities on how it can be used in other ways. GLC have a simple structure and is driven by prefixes. One of the reasons I kept it simple is because I wanted to create simple tools that can parse the codes that I write, and I also wanted to extend it in several means. For example, it is easy to create a tool that can read function definitions like this and this one. Not only I can use if as a name for a variable or as an identifier, I can also feel secured that my codes will never collide in any newly introduced keyword. This makes it easier to expand the keywords in the language without having conflicts or having weird keyword names. I only have to remember 2 rules. If it begins with braces, it ends with braces. Else, it ends with semicolon. No more dangling elses. I'm also able to unify the syntax for declaring functions and classes. That's it for now. I wanna hear your questions, comments about this video, and let's see what aspect of the language caught your interest. We'll cover it on the next video. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. This has been your host, Galileo, and my friend GLC. See you next time.